vlog titled Myself Through Four Lenses. So, one of my most meaningful experience is adjusting to college life. So, at first, I have a hard time of adjusting to college life because I get overwhelmed of a lot of schoolworks, and everything is really fast. So at first, I get a lot of adjustments and mental breakdown because I thought I cannot make it to college life. But as the time goes by, I learned how to adjust, and I met a lot of friends, and yeah. So as the time goes by, I learned how to adjust and how to cope with a lot of schoolworks, and yeah. So I thought I can't make it, but here I am. I can make it. So I realized that my strengths and kung paano ako makakapag-adjust sa isang environment na hindi pa ako familiar. And I also learned my weaknesses and kung paano ako mag-cope sa mga problema na kinakaharap ko. So yeah, I realized that I'm still growing and adjusting to life. Yeah. Mahirap sa una kasi hindi ako familiar sa maraming schoolworks and sa bilis ng pagtuturo and sa pagpapalit-palit ng topics agad sa isang week. So, I did a lot of mental breakdown, really. And, yep. And I think, nag-overthink na ako that time na hindi ko kakayanin kasi hindi ako sanay sa ganung setup, and wala pa akong ganong friends para mapagkwentuhan and makasama sa struggles ko. But as the time goes by, I learn how to cope sa mga kinaharap kong problemang yun. And marami rin akong nakilala and naging mga kaibigan na classmate ko na hanggang ngayon is nakakasama ko, and nadamayan ko sila sa mga problems na kinakaharap ko din, which is yung struggle sa nursing. So yeah, marami akong naging realization habang tumatagal sa field na to, and I hope mas tumatag pa ako habang tumatagal, and sana malagpasan ko lahat